In this video, I will be showing you how to use Gamma AI for book summaries and reports. Let's get started. From the main dashboard, I'll click on Create New AI and then select the Generate button. I'm going to create a presentation, so I'll select that format and adjust the card count to 6. Now, I'll type my prompt into the box, asking for a detailed summary of the story The Lottery by Shirley Jackson, including the main themes, key characters, and top 5 takeaways. Next, I'll click on Generate Outline. The AI immediately creates a logical flow for the report, covering the setting and the plot's progression. After reviewing the outline, I'll set the text amount to concise to ensure the slides are easy to read. For the visuals, I'll scroll through the available themes and pick the wine option, which gives the presentation a polished, professional look that fits the tone of the book. Once I hit Generate, the AI starts constructing the pages in real time. It automatically adds titles, detailed text, and even thematic images that fit the story's atmosphere. As the cards for the village assemblies, character profiles, and core themes appear, you can see how well the information is organized into a clean layout. It finishes up with a clear list of the key takeaways. I'll just scroll through the final result to make sure every slide looks exactly how I want it. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI for book summaries and reports.